Welcome to another series of video. Take your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail, then secure it with a rubber band. Divide the parts of your hair into two parts and then secure it with another rubber band. Pass it through the gaps upwards and see, you're good to go. Your hair in the form of half ponytail from one end of your hair, secure it with a rubber band. Roll one part through that part of the hair, securing it again. Take the rest of the parts of your hair, tie it in the form of plaits, roll it upwards just like this and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Make your hair in the form of ponytail. Divide your ponytail into two halves, twisting it just like this. It should be artistic in a way that it should look elegant, just like this. Roll it carefully in the form of a circle, forming it like this and secure it tightly with your favorite bobby pin. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, making it a ponytail. Pass one part through the other, giving it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands. Repeat the same process and make it look like layers. See how beautiful it looks. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, making it in the form of half ponytail. Take another part and repeat the same process again just like this, passing it through the gaps within. Then take the rest of the part of your hair, divide it into two and make simple plaits. Roll the upper part of the hair with it and secure it with a bobby pin. Hair divided into two in the form of half ponytail. Tie the lower end of the hair with rubber bands two consecutive times and pass one part through the gaps of another, rolling it like this, securing it again with a rubber band. See, you should be artistic in your way. Then roll the upper part, put it through the gap and secure it tightly with your favorite fancy looking bobby pin. Divide your hair into two in the form of half ponytail, pass it through the gap, tie it with another rubber band to the downwards part, make a gap and pass the lower end of your hair through that gap. Then take the rest of the part of your hair, divide it into two and tie it with a rubber band again. Then roll one part of the hair and pass it through the gap of another. Repeat the same process with both the parts just like this and yeah, you're good to go. Divide your hair into two, make it in the form of half ponytail. Take the rest of the part of your hair and then divide it into three parts. Then make plaits out of one part just like this and repeat the same with another. Tie both the parts of your hair together, roll it upwards like this and yeah, it's good to go. Thanks for watching.